Okay, we're ready to start our essential scarf. We have 2 different colours in our kit, 3 balls of each colour. This is the Uno yarn. It's beautiful and soft and squishy and awesome to wear. So just take the labels off, find the middle there. Oops. First thing we're going to do is cut 7 meters off each ball, which we will use for our tassels. First thing we're going to do is cut 7 meters off each ball of yarn. So we've got 3 of each colour. So each of those 6 balls we're going to take 7 meters of yarn off. So measure out 7 meters of each one and cut that. And we will use that for the tassels on the scarf. If you're not doing tassels, then you won't do this. So here's my first ball with 7 meters cut off it. And from that, I'm going to measure. You can do this step now or later when you're making the tassels, as long as you've put your 7 meters of each ball aside. Now I'm ready to cut the tassels, so I'm going to cut 40 centimeters off each of those 7 meters. So here's my tape measure, and I'm going to measure a 40 centimeter length, just there, and just snip that. And for each tassel, we want 7. There's lots of 7s in this. 7 of those 40 centimeter lengths, so you can just measure it against the first one that you snipped, and cut another one and keep going until you've got 7 that are 40 centimeters, approximately 40 centimeters long. So I have 7 here, and then that's one tassel, so we double that to attach it to our scarf, which we show you in the last video how we do that. So that is one tassel, so you're going to end up with 14 bunches of yarn like this because you're making 14 tassels. So I've got a finished scarf here, so we'll have a look at that. So this is on one end. Oops, got a bit of booked up there. So you can see, oops, get that out of the way. So you can see there that I've got 7 copper tassels on this scarf. And on the other end, I have put 7 pebble tassels. So that was our 2 colours for this kit. So you can have a different colour, or you can mix and have the yarns together and all the tassels with the blended colours. So it's just important just to take that yarn off each ball at the beginning so that we have enough left for the tassels at the end.